of chicken for tomorrow.
So professional.
12 p.m. No, 12. 12. Yes. Yes, 1:30. 818 518 736 7369. Yes. Yes. Ganun. Dahil pag bukas, late yun. Alas 11 nagbubukas yun.
7.
So, 12. 12 and 9.
10. That's you. No?
Mhm.
Thank you.
Sobrang taas daw ng tama. Pero yung babae.
Hindi, baka hindi lang siya sanay pa.
But I heard once
Wala ba kayong headboard?
Hindi ka masubukan. Ang ma-espasyo yung headboard. Extra bayad yan eh. Tsaka may espasyo.
Kaya mo na kayo kayo.
Ano yung sabi ko na ano, yung tungkol sa headboard kanina na parang ano? Ang point siya. No, pero saan nga nakalimutan ko, oh my god. I'm having ano, hindi maganda ang memory ko na. Ah, sabi ko, parang ano, nung nakachinelas ako kanina, kasi dapat nakachinelas lang ako, eh, puto sumasangga sa paa ko. Yung,
Oh, yes,
oo,
ako.
nakachinelas ako kanina eh. Tapos pinadala mo yung picture, sabi ko, ba't wala siya ng headboard? Sabi ko, parang lang yung chinelas ko kanina, nakachinelas ako.
Hindi kami tumuha, bulky. At saka mag-collect lang ng alikabok. May mga lalagyan sa site.
Sino siya pigala rin? Wala na.
Bukuha naman sa akin yung state.
You wanna do your Lego?
Wait, this is not mine.
Meron mo.
Oh, ito.
Hindi ako.
No more.
Ako naman.
Go back. Go ahead. Look at this, but you cannot lie. Give me one water gun.
I never said it wasn't.
Huh?
I never said it wasn't here.
So can I get my game back?
No.
I paid for it. Both of it.
No, nothing.
Buti pa si Pena may joke.
Wala na eh.
I give up. I don't like my cards. Can someone win already?
4 sticks.
Wait.
4 sticks. 4 sticks.
Pong.
Pong.
Teka lang.
Parang ang bilis nito.
Yun nga eh, no? Hindi nila ano kung pinag-iisip ako maitan.
If I have the halo light.
Sa silya lang yan. Masama nga silya.
Hindi ko maano eh.
Hindi parang madilim eh.
Hindi ko ma-pinpoint.
Yeah.
Right? It's a little, I don't
It's
know.
a little off.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Dark. It gets dark, right?
Yes.
I don't know what it is. Hindi. Oo.
Kung maliwanag pa lang kasi.
Hindi maliwanag pa.
5 balls.
Okay.
Two kids. Ooh, Pino is the one that's meeting that. Pong. Ooh, Pino eh, huh?
Say ito, ha?
Hey.
Dude, 40 na kagad binili mo, sir?
Tama naman.
Lahat eh.
Lahat? 40 ba lahat?
Yeah.
Una ko pa 20 dun. 4 balls.
Tingnan nyo, oh, kahit dito, no? Namumula dito ako, no? Pati dito.
Parang sa akin anak ni Jay.
Grabe.
Haba siya ng pilikmata ng anak ni Jay.
Gwapo ka mo. Pogi eh. O, Ikar.
Pong.
Okay. How many flowers you have?
No.
Pero okay na yung ano niya.
Hindi.
Nag-aano daw yun. Mamaya daw pag-uwi mag-aano.
Hindi, ngayon. Andito
Ah,
ng
dito.
patse, oh.
Dito meron na din siya.
Oh, yeah?
Pagdating doon, wala. Kasi tulog, tas walang ano, tas naka-electric fan tutok. Nung pagano ka mo, pagising mo after mga 45 minutes to 1 hour, nagpatche na yung dito, yung dito. Pula. Patche, patch na red. Parang, hindi kagaya ko. Basta may patche. Nag-aano talaga. Wawa.
Minsan kahit sa kanin lang yun.
Pinakita ni Annette sa akin yung gamot eh. Yun nga oh, ganong tubo na may steroid oh.
Pasok sa kanin. pero-
Yung katulad sa bahay. Oh my gosh, kawawi ah.
We were young and didn't realize that we lost a lot
May balls.
to drugs, alcohol, murder. It was not a good place to be. That
Wow.
we destroy our lives. And that's like
They could be one water gun.
Oh, he wants you to put his the password
What
for
password?
your internet.
I'm not gonna do that if it doesn't give me password for the P1 water gun.
May nabukulan nga doon sir eh.
Ano ba ta?
Oo.
Dalawa? Pinalaglag pang isa eh.
Minsan nagabog eh. Huwag ka
Ah, may
magalala.
jumper pa siya?
Oo.
Maraming nurse dito.
Fat, you need to lose weight. I was like,
Oh.
Porter.
yeah, okay. All right, let's start training.
So, 10 lang pala floors. Ano floors na ha?
9.
Okay. You and I are the same.
After first fight, 6 months later.
Hello! Kang!
Alam ko na sir sino maagang malalasing doon yung incheck.
One ball.
Thank you. Nice.
You were saying bye to Levy and Jay, and they're like, why are you guys leaving? Oh, Lucy's there.
And it's asking why we don't.
And I said, because he said he had to work. I said he had to work.
So what is this?
Um,
So it's easier
Yeah.
to... Ah,
3 car.
that's why. Oh, it's fast.
Yep.
Cheating.
Uy, may Flores yan. Sino? Eh,
Five balls.
Paklo.
Three.
But it might be dead because he kept the 4 balls. Ay, nag-text pala si Sepo, may gusto ba daw kayo sa Chinese? Sana daw siya sa Chinese. Putangin na nilang naalala. May gusto daw ba kayo yun? Tanga lang, di ba? Shit, di pa naka-turn.
I was
Ah!
looking at it too. I was counting while you were
Do
clicking.
I have anything to say? No?
I don't know. I wasn't looking at
Oh,
it.
ito na guys, 6 star.
Wait 1 second.
This guy over here was looking at my freaking Flores, praying,
Go ahead, go ahead.
praying to God. Oh, you needed 7?
7 balls, yeah.
Right here. I needed 7 and ano. Oh, birdie, who needs?
Wala naman
9
ako.
balls.
Birdie.
Oh my God, where am I? Oh my God, it's right here.
Oh, you need 7 balls, 2 9.
7 and 3.
Try, you want to second?
No.
Yeah.
Ito ako eh. No, sleepy.
Come
7
on.
and 3.
Sleepy, yeah. Yun ay papalitan pero may sleepy na yung natin.
Gonna go away.
No, sleepy. For real. Okay,
Are you sure?
You know why?
That
Because
was not Bruno, right? No.
no, because they stopped drinking.
Oh,
Yes. Because you guys, they stopped because they were drinking there, and then when we left, they stopped drinking. So that's why it needs to be consistent.
good,
11.
good.
Yeah.
Pagbaon na ako sa tinelas eh. Komportable yung naka-tinelas pag ipamato.
Hindi ako kasi may sugat pa ako. Kaya nagpalit ako ng chinelas ako kanina papunta doon eh.
I would always take a chance. Come on, buddy.
Impossible.
You're gonna be there all night again?
Impossible dream.
Ano sa loob? Pupunta nga pala sila.
Impossible dream. 4, 8, 12, 13, 14 day lang wala.
Yung tirata rin natin na namin.
Ewan ko, basta sabi niya Irmoto, lahat ng teacher.
Ano ba?
Oh, what did you get? Ay,
Oh,
did you get?
sorry, sorry.
I told you. It's the, ano, they stop drinking. Ay,
Wala na.
yes. Fans.
No more.
Wala na,
Wala
ano?
na.
Fans. Fans, fans, fans.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10,
Oh, you did?
14.
I got it right now. Joke. Oh, 13.
14.
Oh, 14.
1-0. If he gets, ano,
Number 1.
yeah,
Taxi.
that's 15, taxi.
No, joke right here, please.
No, right. 2, 6.
Oh,
Mali.
1, 4.
mali, Jeffrey.
Dead.
I know this one too, dead.
8 ball.
Dead. Dead. Ang galing to. City Bird.
Oh, it's my carry fighting now?
Yeah, I can think 6.
Oh, look, he's wearing basketball outfit. Is he fighting UFC?
No, gano'n po. 4 balls. You're the fire. You're the fire.
Six, kumain ka na.
Nine, papaitan.
No, attention mamaya. Busog pa ako sa dami ng kanain kong photo. Ganun na gusto ng photo doon.
Ang dahil kaya pala yun na.
Hindi kaya nga hinahanap kasi tinanong niya ako kung ano gusto ko. Sabi ko photo. Eh wala naman na. Lima kaya nakain ko. Kasi Charles tatlo. Silang Q tatlo. Ubus.
7 ka.
Ubus ang photo. Oh, that's what you needed. Ang pangit to, I was trying to do escalera and the moment he said 2 sticks, I was like, oh man, what am I gonna do with my birdie? That's so depressing.
Depressing, only 40.
So I had to throw my birdie.
I have 8 cards. I got Joker with 8 cards.
Wait, no one threw a car?
I have 8 cards.
Fight nga? O bang kapapait?
Baka pwede lagyan ng ano, kalamansi. At saka ano,
Hindi naman nagkasaligay.
kalamansi at saka patis.
Nandun pala ako dami. Siyempre nakita ko yung post kanina mga sa story.
Sawi, sawi, sawi. Okay, uno muna ito. I only need 3. Only 3.
Ready wants to play.
No, he was stressing out earlier.
Why?
Because there was a lot of people.
Oh, really?
Sabi nga dapat doon na lang daw.
No more to the shine.
No math. 4, 8, 13. No math.
No more. Wala na.
Wala. Wala. Please don't mess up my car because of the... Nakakita mo? Maganda ba?
Yes.
Ay, maayos. No math. No math. Four sticks. Nobody needs to want to.
So malaman, paano ginagawa niya maingin yung kanya?
Yung ganon?
Yung point of view niya. Hindi,
Oh.
yung point of view niya.
Na,
Kasi parang nakaharap na kami.
Ay ka.
yung ganito.
Hindi ko
Hindi
sila
ko.
na-adjust na.
I think katulad dun sa iMovie ko inaano. Sa iMovie ko kasi dati inaano. Wow, let's see. Why? Ay, Sales Mario says 9-6. Oh, ito. No man. No man. All car. Where did Brain go?
Same as the bathroom. Not 18. Oh, yeah. They're probably same thing. Ay ka.
Or Tita Teo's van?
Oh, maybe.
No, you still need it?
Ah.
Nice. You're like, somebody's gonna throw this. Again. No man. 3D card. No man.
Nice. Shalom na.
Taklow. Taklow.
9 balls.
Taklow. Patay.
Nando.
Patay. Patay. Two balls.
Patay.
Wala. Dead on arrival. Tatlo.
Una sticks, ha?
Yan ang joker kanina.
Kanina. Four na balls.
Four na balls. Four na balls.
Naman.
If baby, it's the fourth. No, third. Oh, snap-a-doodle. I'm so sorry. 3 car.
That's two.
Hmm?
Two.
Ayun kay Luis. Dami.
Five. Four na sticks.
Dalawa.
Take yourself, go. No, joker. No.
Ang card of the
Dapat ko,
nose.
dahil sa akin, two balls. Kinakapang ko yung three balls ko eh. Dapat pala nag-isip na lang yun naman.
Ito, oh. Kasunod na panapon ko.
Table.
Dapat na inisip na
No.
lang magsusuper.
I would have kept it because
Oh,
this is
you're
where my cards went. I kept bunoting, so I'm not gonna I'll throw 3 balls. So I am 6 pairs
Oh.
with no house. I will be 6 pairs with no house. I wouldn't have done that.
He's 11, right?
You're 9. You're 5, 9. You're 5, 9.
Oh, he's not here.
Yeah.
No, this way, right?
Yan, Flores to. Doon.
Sleepy.
And then house.
Wow, look.
That's good news.
I hope.
Pray that,
Pray that something comes
comes
back.
back. Yan.
Hindi ka na uwi ko.
I'll tell you what I get. My God, the last 2. Deuce. Deuce never lose. Dito.
Wala na.
No mas. 4, 8, 12, 16.
Car. Four balls.
Seven.
I can't believe Diaz. freaking-
Lost?
No. He was one of the main guys in UFC and now he's there nothing.
Just fighting.
Yeah.
Randomly.
Maybe look at big promotion, hindi ka promotion. Jake Paul is part of that.
Nobody cares about Jake Paul, baby.
Okay, buddy.
Are we mad?
No.
Are we upset? 6 bells.
Boom.
Are we upset about this, Lois? Eight the bells.
Kinakapang ko eh.
Six six.
Kang. Oh my gosh. Where did you come from? Where did you come from? 5, 6.
Ibon.
Ibon mang may layang lumikpang.
8 balls.
My God, he's bleeding already?
Yeah.
Oh, both of them. Nine six.
Eight still.
Which one would you rather have him?
13.
This is you. This
What
is
was me? What was me?
You're Flores. So 4 cards.
I wasn't. I would have threw this.
Please,
start.
no, I would have gotten. No,
Ask you about it.
I didn't. I didn't need the.
3 6.
No, I would have thrown it. That was gonna be my bunot also.
Oh, did they die? No.
Guys. This, it is.
Thank you.
You.
Tumato si Ryan sa Starbucks. Ay, ito, dinarin. Wrong one.
Oh, you order.
Come on, don't do this to me now. Don't do this to me
Show your other
now.
one. Show your other one. Show your other one.
My turn?
now.
You sure?
Haba ng palpas ng mama. Oh. Kasi, nakatarintas pa eh.
Ayun to.
Five.
Count.
5.
We already got one.
Yeah, that's why he's only getting 4.
Yeah.
No, Luis has 2 flower. Why is he giving you
Alright. You're gonna take a trick, sir. Okay.
Trick
On, baby.
no mas?
Oh, ano. We just get you.
I'm like, I have to pay you?
Oh my.
Wala na.
4, 8, 12. That's
Oh my god.
Naman.
He won?
They're bleeding like really bad.
No, he's about to. Na naman.
About to win?
Yeah.
About to
He got saved by the bell.
Who?
Nate Diaz got saved by the bell.
How did you know it was the bell?
Okay, saved by something. At least. Bernie Sanders.
Bernie Sanders.
Why did you pick that Joker, buddy?
8 car.
I wish I could have
What? Done something?
about that.
A Joker. A Joker. Oh shit, now I'm gonna throw you, buddy. 4 balls.
First six.
Jesse works today?
It's off at 9:30.
Oh, I thought it's off today.
Not today, buddy.
Whitey birds.
But...
Oh my god, I'm gonna throw you now, buddy. Why you keep doing that? 2 sticks. Sila extra nandun.
They both look so big.
Ano yan? Hindi, mas pag ano yung...
Three sticks.
These cards suck.
Hmm?
These cards suck.
I think this one's 2.
Whatever.
Really? I think so. I just think.
I'm not sure about that. But...
Oh my god, Lucy, look
Oh,
at
you see,
ano.
folks up, I got you.
TKO! Oh, wow. Nice.
And to think I thought he was bleeding a lot.
No, the other guy, Nate Diaz was bleeding more.
Look at his face, look at his face.
No, the other guy's face was worse.
More?
3-6, you could share, no?
No. I threw that.
No, I didn't have to pay. I'll pay Nick.
Yeah. 7.
3 the bills.
Todas?
That's my ano. I have 2 of those. You're lucky. See? Good job. Oo, dalawa.
Stay on the right spot.
Ah, nice. Take it.
I bought out 7 right now.
This one is, that's 2 of that. I have 2 of the 3 balls that I don't need.
Putik na yung barako.
Wala, dalawa na yun.
Wala akong paro.
Dalawang yun. I have 2 of the 9s.
9-6.
That's my pair.